Hey there, this is Shreyas Reddy Banyan. I'm the founder and CEO at Inflooo. Inflooo is an influencer tech company based out of Hyderabad. I got to know about AiSensy a year ago, and I was really excited to actually use the product back then. Before getting in touch with AiSensy, there was an annual process which involves my team calling up all the influencers out there for collaborations and all that related stuff. But once I got to know about AiSensy, I started using them. I think it was a crazy transformation right there. So now we handle thousands of campaigns in just a click, and there is not even a single phone going out of my office. So everything happens over WhatsApp, and AiSensy is the backend for that. So I really hope these guys go very far. I really wish team there, Gautam, Mohit, Kamlakshi, Ajay, and all the other team there, lightning speed growth, and you guys have been a great help for me. Thanks a lot, guys. Wish you all the best.